Hi there and welcome to FerroECOBlast. Imagine spending countless hours manually cleaning cylinder heads, dealing with stubborn, burnt-on sand, inconsistent results, and endless frustration. Manual sandblasting isn't just slow. It's unreliable, it's costly, and it's risky for their workers. But what if there was a smarter way? To solve that, we developed an automated machine for internal sandblasting that transforms how cylinder heads are cleaned after external blasting. With this system, we eliminate the mess of manual blasting. No more uneven cleaning, hazard environment for operators, or process downtime. At its core, machine is equipped with 7 6-axis robot arms, each programmed to blast specific internal channels of cylinder heads. Parts move effortlessly through 8 dedicated stations. At Station 1, a robotic loader picks up the cylinder head from the conveyor and precisely positions it into the specialized holder. Once placed, the automatic clamping system firmly secures the part, ensuring accurate and stable positioning. The orbital feeder then smoothly rotates the table to Station 2, where the first robotic arm initiates the blasting process, performing high-precision cleaning of the internal channels. From Station 2 through Station 7, each robotic arm focuses on specific channels within the cylinder head, ensuring complete removing of burnt cast sand. As the cylinder head moves through these stations, the orbital feeder automatically rotates it, enabling efficient cleaning of all channels. Midway through the process, the advanced clamping and rotational system flips the cylinder head, allowing the robots to efficiently reach and clean previously inaccessible areas on the other side of the workpiece. At Station 8, the cylinder head undergoes a comprehensive blow-off stage. Powerful jets of compressed air remove any residual blasting media, cast sand, or other impurities, ensuring that the part is spotless and ready for machining. Finally, the orbital feeder returns the cylinder head back to Station 1. Here, the robotic loader carefully unloads the freshly cleaned cylinder head and immediately loads the next part, seamlessly maintaining continuous production without downtime. To reduce waste, lower media consumption, and keep the process consistent, this machine features a fully integrated media recycling system. During operation, abrasive media is collected beneath the blasting cabinet and automatically transported through a separation cycle. Dust and cast sand are removed using a combination of magnetic separation and vibrating screening. Clean media is then returned into pressure blasting generator equipped with media flow control to maintain steady performance without interruptions. This closed-loop system ensures efficient use of resources, consistent blasting quality, and reduces maintenance needs. Operators can effortlessly select preset recipes, monitor real-time operation, and receive proactive maintenance alerts. Remote diagnostics capabilities mean support is always just a click away, reducing downtime to virtually zero. So there you have it, a cleaner and smarter way to handle cast sand removal from complex geometries. Machine does the hard work so you don't have to. Built for precision, designed for reliability, and ready for your production floor. Thank you.